Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume for your BOSE S1 Pro Plus. At the back side of the speaker we have controls here, and we need to use a control at the third channel, because we connect it with a Bluetooth, or if you connect it with a mini jack or a normal jack, you also should use this third third channel. Now, to increase the volume, you need to turn this wheel clockwise. So, as you can see, I just increase the volume, and to lower the volume you need to turn it counterclockwise. And as you can see, it also works. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!